continuing on with our road trip, we are now approaching Yellowstone National Park. So it's a nice change in scenery, albeit a bit cold. It's 0 degrees. Would be nicer to visit here in the summer, but what the heck, we're on our way. And if we go straight to Great Falls, it will be too early, like 3 p.m. So yeah, so might as well just do a little detour and head over to Yellowstone National Park. So I'm going to show you some of the scenery along the way. We are now charging here at the West Yellowstone Supercharger. Most people like coming here in the summer. Aren't we blessed today? So we were told that even though it's snowing at the gate, the road to Old Faithful Geyser, it is indeed open. So yeah, that's great. So now we're gonna head off to Old Faithful and we're going to witness the spewing of the geyser. Yeah, it happens every 1.5 hours, so we should be good. Looks like we met some bison here on Highway 191 on our way to Old Faithful. See? Up close.
Yep. They're in a neat line.
Just have to make sure they're out of the way before we proceed. But this is cool. It's real close. Nice. Everyone else waited for them to cross. Yeah. Wow, that's our first wildlife sighting here. Cool. Okay. At the Old Faithful Visitor Education Center. Ah! Snowing. Man. Okay, let's go inside. Old Faithful is probably scheduled to erupt in another half an hour or so. So we just got here at the right time. Enough time to get ready. This is now the visitor center of Old Faithful. So we are here right now. The geyser is right there. It's right in front of us. Let me share you a true story. Since 2012, when we 2012, when we got our first Prius, I've been wanting to visit Old Faithful. in the Yellowstone Park, as it's just slightly off the I-15 and it's probably maybe just a couple hours detour. But we had several chances. It's, no, when we stay at Pocatello on the way back, it's always during the day like this. But finally, after 6 years, we have the opportunity now to visit Old Faithful, and here she is. We get to witness the eruption of Old Faithful. It's 3:11 p.m. So, wow, look at that. Whoa. Span the camera up a little bit. Wow, it goes so high. I'm filming this from the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park.